In Roman numerals, 50 is represented as, in Roman numerals, 50 is represented as. What you need to know and understand are the base Roman numerals. And the base Roman numerals are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. These are the base Roman numerals. What does each stand for? I stands for 1. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. C stands for 100. D stands for 500. And M stands for 1000. So you can see already, just by knowing the base Roman numerals and the numbers which they represent, we can tell that in Roman numerals, 50 is represented as, here's 50, represented as L. Therefore, the answer here cannot be A. It is not B. The answer is C. But before we leave this particular question, what do you think XL stands for? How about this one? What do you think it stands for? Let's start with this one and let's write it here. XL. We know that X stands for 10 and L stands for 50. Does this mean this is going to be 60? No. When a smaller number is written on the left of a bigger number, you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. In this case, 50 is bigger and 10 is smaller. 10 is on the left and 50 is on the right. So this in Roman numerals is written as XL, and this is equal to 40. You subtract this 10 from the 50. If the 10 is written in front of the 50, then you add. So this is then going to be 60. And it will be written as LX. Let's get this one and also demonstrate. There is I and V. I stands for 1. V stands for 5. I is smaller and it is on the left side. So what do? You subtract it from this one here. And this means that this stands for 4. Try this one. What answer does it give you? Pause the video just for a minute or two. Try to do it yourself. Then come back for the solution. Here is the solution. There's X, there's L, and there's I. X stands for 10, L stands for 50, and I stands for 1. Because this is smaller and it is on the left side, we're going to subtract this one from this one, which means that these two brought together give us 40. I is smaller, but it is on the right side of this one, so it's going to be added. So this together is going to give us 41. XLI is equal to 41.